If you want to have a strong plant which grows well and flowers well, I have solution for that. Watch this video to show you how you can strong your plant. Hi my dear friends, welcome to the Houseplant. Bottom watering. Today in this video I want to talk about these big secrets, which most of people don't do that. This is really good for watering your plant, and actually I recommend this for you for watering. It's really make your plant stronger and reduces the root rot. Actually, as you know, there are two types of watering: top watering, bottom watering. And most of us, because we don't have enough time, we start watering your plant from top. But I recommend you to start watering from bottom. Actually bottom watering has two big benefits. One of them is your water gets the amount of water it needs when you water it from bottom, so it reduces risk of overwatering and root rot, because as much as your plant needs, it absorbs the water. The second benefit of this watering is, water is distributed all part of the soil. When you water your plant from top, some part of soil can be dry, so that's not really good. But when you start bottom watering, the plant actually absorbs the amount of water it needs. In the other hand, it completely is distributed all part of your soil, and so always is fresh. So these two benefits are really good, and it makes your plant really stronger, and it causes flowering your plant. Okay, how to overwater your plant? First of all, always remember, check the water temperature. It should be room temperature. Upper or downer temperature causes shock. Your plant will be shocked, and it's not really good. The second one, when you want to bottom water your plant, always check the drainage of your pot. It should be good, because your plant needs good drainage, needs good pot drainage for absorbing the water. So these two checking is really important. After that, always you need a container or pot or something like that. Put your room temperature water inside that, and then put your pot inside that water. Remember, the amount of water should be it should be about 2 or 3 inches above the bottom of the pot. So after about 10 or 15 minutes, check the soil top part. If it's damp, it's enough. Otherwise, you should wait for 5 minutes and again check the soil. Remember, the top part should be completely damp. After you see it's damp, it's enough, and you can take out your pot. And this is all the work you should do for bottom watering. If you have any question about bottom watering, you can comment us and we will answer. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. Goodbye. Let me to push